When you create a new purchase order in AX, you must indicate which type of order it is. You can select one of the following: a journal, which can be used as a draft or a template. You cannot process the journal because there are no inventory transactions for it. The purchase order type, which is the default or standard order type, this is used when the vendor confirms an order, or the returned order type, which is used when you want to return goods to the vendor. The return item number or the return merchandise authorization number, sometimes referred to as the RMA, that the vendor gives you must be entered on the Other tab in the purchase order form. Keep in mind that an RMA is only applicable when the vendor knows the return is coming and has authorized the return transactions. Next, let's review the statuses available for a purchase order. Purchase orders have two different statuses. We'll talk about the purchase order status first. The status indicates how far the selected order is in the purchase order process. In addition to the status on the purchase order header, each line of the order can also have a status. The purchase order statuses include open order, received, invoiced, and canceled. A purchase order will only reach the next status of received or invoiced if the entire purchase order is received or entirely invoiced. Next are the approval statuses. As a part of the workflow in change management enablement of purchase orders, an approval status is implemented on the purchase order header. In addition to the purchase order statuses, each purchase order also has a document status that indicates which documents are generated for a selected purchase order. This could be none, product receipt, or invoice. The document status just indicates whether or not that particular type of document has been generated. Because the status and document status are calculated separately, different combinations of statuses and document statuses can help identify additional information about the status of the order. For example, if an order status is open order and the document status is invoice, you can conclude that the order is partially received and invoiced. Next, let's discuss the parameters that control the purchasing process.